Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed do while loop. Now today we start do loop while. Okay. See the syntax here. Do executable statement loop while test condition. Here we have to check the condition. Now our first program is to print first 10 natural number. Okay. We will do it in the practical. So CLS I equals to 1. Now do we have to print I. Next I equals to I plus 1. Then loop while I less than equals to 10. Okay. First CLS, then I equals to 1. Our loop starts with 1. Then do print I. We have to print the value of I. Then I equals to I plus 1. Loop while I less than equals to 10. Until and unless the value is not greater than 10, the loop will work. Okay. Now run. Start. Wait for the output. See the output 1 to 10. Okay. Hope this practical is clear to you all. Now see the notes of this. This is the first 10 natural number. Then next program to print the sum of all even number between 0 to 20. It is also same CLS I equals to 0, sum equals to 0. In the last class also we have done this program, this type of program. Okay. So we'll do some new program like program to print the sum and multiplication of the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. So let's start this program. See, I equals to 1. We have to print from 1 to 10. Okay. So first of all, sum equals to 0. For sum we start with 0. For multiplication we have to initialize the value 1, because when we multiply any number with 1 we get 1. Okay, we get that number only. But if we multiply with 0, then we will get always 0. That's why while initializing the value we have to write for sum 0 we have to initialize 0, and for multiplication we have to initialize 1. Okay. So I equals to 1, initializing the value. Now sum equals to 0, multi equals to 1. Now do print, where here we have to print the sum of the numbers. Okay. So sum equals to sum plus, our counter variable is I. So sum equals to sum plus I, and here we have to print the product also. So write here we initialize the value multi, so multiplication, only multi we have to write, multi equals to multi into, for multiplication we use multiplication sign, into I. Now we have to increase the value, I equals to I plus 1. Okay. Next loop while I less than equals to 10. After that we have to print sum. So the sum is our value is in sum, so we have to write sum. And for multiplication, the multiplication is Here we have to write multi because our value comes in multi. Now run the program. See, start. See, this is our output. The sum is 55 and the multiplication is this. Okay. Hope you all clear this program. Now move to the next topic. Our next topic is while when loop. Okay. And the syntax is uh, while condition, then executable statement, then when. See, do while loop and while when loop are similar because in both the loop, first we check the condition and then only the statement will run. Okay, so let's start with the any program. This is our new program to print natural number from 10 to 30 in reverse order. So we will do the practical of this program. So let's start CLS. Okay, then value initialization. What is our program? We have to print the numbers 30 to 10 to 30 in reverse order. Reverse order means start from the last number. So I equals to 30 we have to initialize. Now we are using while loop. While I, here the symbol is changed. I is greater than equals to 10 because we are moving in reverse order. Okay, hope you all clear. Now next is print I. We have to print I. Now I equals to, here we have to do decrement because our value is decreasing one by one, 30 then 29 then 28 like this. Now while is closed with when, like for is closed with next, do while is closed with loop, and here while is closed with when. Hope you all clear. Start run this program. See the output. This same output I have written in this notes. Okay, so I think while when loop is clear to you all. One more program, see new program to print the series 149 up to 10th term. What is this 149? How we can observe this series? See, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 up to 10th term. That means 10th term means up to 10 square. Okay, that means this program is related to the square of the numbers. Okay, now we will start doing this question in practical. CLS I equals to, our program is to print 1 4 like this. Okay, so I equals to 1, our initial value is 1, while up to where we have to run the condition, check the condition, while I less than equals to 10. We have to run the program up to 10th term. That's why we have written here I less than equals to 10. Now what we have to do, print, here we have to print I square, that means 1 square, 2 square like this. So I square, that means this power. Okay, this is the sign of power. I power 2, that means 1 power 2. I, when I value is 2, then 2 power 2, then when I value is 3, 3 power 2, that means 3 into 3, that is your 9 like this. Okay, hope you all clear. Now next, I equals to, we have to increase the value of I by 1. Next, last line when. Okay, so here we have to print the series from 1 to 10 squares. So we have to start with 1 and check the condition up to 10th term. Now print I square. Okay, now I equals to I plus 1. Now run the program. Start. See, 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 and 100. This is our output of a squares of first 10 numbers. Okay. Now see the theory part. What is our next topic here? Hope you all clear while when. Next is your do until loop. Now what is do until loop? This loop repeats the statement as long as the condition is false. What we learn that in do while loop, in while when loop, in for loop, that we learn the loop repeats until the condition is true. When the condition is false, then the loop will stop. Okay. Now here it is opposite to that all loop, do while loop, for loop and all. Okay. This loop repeat the statement as long as the condition is false. Until the condition is false, this loop run. When the condition is true, this loop stop working. Okay. So let's see the program. One program of this related to. We will do simple program related to this. That is print natural number. Okay. So I equals to 1, do, then do until. Okay. Do until I, here the symbol will change. I is greater than, we have to do the false condition here. Okay. I greater than equals to 10. Now print I equals to I plus 1. See how this will run. I equals to 1 here. Then here also 1. 1 is greater than equals to 10. We know that the condition is false. Then print I. Here in this loop, if the condition is false, then only this loop will work. Okay. So here we get the condition is false. It will print 1. Then I plus 1, it will be 2. Again the condition is false. 2 is greater than equals to 10. Again it will print 2. Now 3. Again 3 is smaller. Again 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. Now when we get 10, here 10 is greater than equals to 10. Here 10 is greater than 10 is condition false, but equals to 10 equals to 10 is true. That's why it will not print 10. See the result. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 9 only the value is printed. Why? In do while loop, when we do the same thing, I less than equals to 10, then it will print up to 10. But now in do until loop, why it will print up to 9 only? Because here the last condition is true. 10 equals to 10. That's why it will print up to 9 only. Okay. Now see the next topic here. You can do all the programs with this loop. Do until loop we learn. Now we have to learn do loop until. Okay. Now we have to learn do loop until. This loop repeat this statement at least once. That means here it is same as it is just opposite of this do loop and do loop while. Okay. Here print I equals to I plus 1. Here loop, then at last we write until I is less than not greater than equals to 10. Okay. Here actually what happened, before checking the condition it will print the value, print I. That means in do until loop, first of all it will check the condition, but here first of all it will print the value. It is just opposite to that do loop while. Okay. Now see the output here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same output, little bit differences there in the syntax of this loop. Okay. So this is the overall chapter. Now in the next video I will send you about the nested loop. Hope you all clear this one.